In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase font size on Messages app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, we need to scroll down a bit until we find Control Center. And that's where we need to ensure if text size shortcut is added to included controls. If it is not here, I'm gonna quickly remove it to demonstrate you how we can easily add it right here. So guys, if it is not at the included controls section, you need just to scroll down until you find it here in that list, and then just tap at the plus next to it to move it up to included controls. Once it is done, we can close Settings and then we can head over to Messages app. Now, in order to increase or maybe reduce font size, first off we need to head over to the Control Center, just swipe down from the top right corner to bring it up. That's where we can easily find the text size shortcut. We need to tap on it, and it allows us to change text size for all the apps, which is selected by default, or for messages only. I'm gonna select messages only. It shows me 100% here, which is default, and then we can easily change text size simply by dragging it up or down. Once we've selected a text size, we can tap somewhere here, then here to close the Control Center. As you can see now, all the text on the entire Messages app is highly increased. And then let's say if you want to increase it even more, or if you want to reduce it, you can do so in the same way, just like that, until you find the text size that is the best for you and that makes the text easier to read. In the same way, we can return it back to default. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.